Hello, math friends. Welcome back to math. We are on lesson 26 today. So let's get started. We're just going to go ahead and get straight to it. Let's go straight to it. Share screen. Here we go. Oh, wrong thing. Here we go. Lesson 26. I can identify 110 as a unit by breaking apart team numbers into 110 and some ones. Now, we have been working on this with our lessons that we've been taking numbers from 10. So we've had to break down our team numbers, right? So today we're going to look at just the 10 itself. So let's start by getting our brains warmed up. Now, today you are not doing a sprint. You're going to actually work with me. And we're going to look at some numbers, okay? So let's look at this number. What number is this? This shows 3. What's 10 more than 3? 13. I could say 110, 3. Here's 110, 3. Okay, let's do another one. What's the number? 5. What's 10 more than 5? 15. We can say 110, 5. What's this number? 7. Oh, excuse me. What's 10 more than 7? 17. I could say 110, 7. That's the say 10 way. 110, 7. Ooh, what's this number? 16, because look, here's 10, 110, 6 ones. 110, 6. What's this number? 6. What's 10 more? 16. Say 10 way is 110, 6. Ooh, what's this number? 19. Here's 110 and 9. 110, 9. What's this number? 9. 10 more. 19. Say it the 10 way. 110, 9. All right. What's 10 more than 5? 15. 10 less than 14? 4. What if I take the 10 out of 16? It leaves me with 6. What if I add 10 to 2? 12. 12 is 10 more than 2. 9 is 10 less than 19. And there we stop. All right, friends. If you don't already have your whiteboard and marker, go ahead and pause our video for right here and you can go get it. I'm going to pause just for a second to get everything I need. All right, I've got everything I need. I'm ready to start my application problem. Got my detective hat so I can be a number detective. Got my marker and our whiteboard right behind us. So we are ready to solve. Now, first thing we do every time we solve an application problem, or any story for that matter, is we read the problem first, okay? We don't look for clues yet. We don't try to solve it. We're just going to read the whole thing through. Ready? Here we go. Reuben has 18 toy cars. His car carrier holds 10 toy cars. If Reuben's carrier is full, how many cars are in the carrier? And how many cars are outside of the carrier? Okay. We can do this. Let's look for clues. All right. Reuben has 18 toy cars. What is my clue? He has 18 toy cars. Now, do you think this is going to be a part or a total? I think it's going to be a total. So here's what we can do. Let's go back to our read, draw, write method, and let's go ahead and draw out 18. Let me get my marker here. And I want to draw 18 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now that's a lot. Now, what's the one thing we always do? We take a picture and we frame our 10. Okay, Let's go back and look for more clues. Now that we've drew it out, we drew our 18 out, and I framed my 10 so I can show you 10 and 8. All right, his car carrier holds 10 cars. The car carrier holds 10 toy cars. That's important. So here's my 10. Let's pretend this box, the frame that we put around it, let's pretend that's the car carrier. So this shows that I have 10 toy cars in my carrier, okay? And I'm even gonna type a label and put carrier. So I know that the car carrier holds 10. All right, let's keep going. If Ruben's car carrier is full, how many cars are in the carrier and how many cars are outside the carrier? Okay, so this is a clue right here. It's full. So if his car carrier holds 10 cars and it's full, how many are in there? There's 10. So how many cars are in the carrier? 10 cars in the carrier. So let's write that. There are 10 cars in the car carrier. Whoops. It also wants to know how many cars are outside of the car carrier. Well, if this is my car carrier, let's count how many are outside of the frame. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many are outside of the car carrier? 8. There are 8 cars outside of the carrier. So let's see, did we answer the questions? How many cars are in the carrier? There are 10 cars in the carrier. How many cars are outside of the carrier? There are 8 cars outside of the carrier. And we did that by drawing out 18. We framed 10, and then what was outside of our frame. So detectives, did you solve this? Yes, we did. That means we are ready to go to our next thing. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause for a second so I can clean this up because I can't exactly erase like you guys can on your board. I want you to be ready to go. We're going to work with Miss Duckett today. And you might need your board, you might not. I don't think you will, but you are going to need something else. You're going to need your fingers today, okay? So make sure your fingers are ready to go. Maybe do a few little exercises until I get back, but let's get this done, okay? So hold on just a second while I pause. I'll be back in a flash. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm ready. Miss Duckett is going to join us today, and she's going to talk about this lovely number that we all like. We like it so much we take pictures of it and frame it. The number 10. Here we go.
What 10? 10. What 10? 10. Oh, hi friends.
Hi, Miss Duckett.
It's Miss Duckett. I was just having a party with the number 10. Well, because I love the number 10. Today, we're going to be identifying 110 as a unit. If you're ready, let me see you wiggle your 10 fingers. Let's get started. Mathematicians, we have used so many different tools in math, and I think it's time for a name that tool.
Oh yeah, we got this. Let's do this.
To show me that you can name each tool that I want you. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right. The first one up is.
Ooh.
Can you name this tool?
Do you remember what we call that? It's a Wreck and Wreck bracelet.
That's right. This is a Wreck and Wreck bracelet. All right. Second one up is.
We know that.
Can you name this tool?
We know that's a 5-group card.
You got it. This is a 5-group card of 10. All right. Third one up is. Can you name this tool?
That's a 10 frame.
Yes, a 10 frame. All right. I think it's time for the $1 million question.
What?
Do all these tools have in common?
They all show 10.
Ding, ding, ding. They all show 10. You all are all winners of Name That Tool. Well, I actually don't have $1 million to give to you, but I can continue to teach you so that way your brain can continue to grow. Let's keep learning.
Let's go.
So I actually have one bonus question.
Ooh, a bonus question.
We have a tool that we carry around with us everywhere we go. Can you show me that tool?
Wonder what it could be.
Our fingers. Wiggle your fingers with me. Our fingers help us solve math in so many different ways. How many fingers do we have?
10.
That's right. We have 10 fingers. We can carry around loose beads to count, but instead we use our reckon rent bracelets. Our reckon rent bracelets are organized and we can count them quickly. We can look at the bracelet and know the amount right away. When I look at my reckon rent bracelet, I know that I have 10 beads all together. I can call this a group of 10. What can I call this?
A group of 10.
Yes, I can call this a group of 10 or 110. Why do we frame our 10 circles when we use 5 group drawings?
So we can see there are 10 altogether.
That's right. We frame them because it's easier to see 10. We don't have to recount them because we just know that there are 10. Just like our reckon rent bracelet, when we called it 110, when we frame our 10 circles and our 5 group drawings, we can say that we have one frame of 10, or we can just say that we have 110. What can we say we have?
110.
Yes, 110. Let's see if we can make one unit of 10 using our fingers. Show me all 10 of your fingers. Let's count our fingers together.
Ready?
Get ready.
Start here. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9.
10.
Watch what I do. 10. When we bundle our fingers together like this, we have one set or one unit of 10. So our fingers just like this show 110. Make 110 with your fingers.
So we start out 10 and bundle them together.
That's right. We clasp our fingers together just like this. Let's make 12 fingers, including our pretend fingers now.
Okay.
Put out all of your fingers. How many pretend fingers do we have?
2 in my head. 'Cause 10 and 2 make 12.
Yes, 2. Let's bundle the 10 fingers on our hands to make a group of 10.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have a bundle or a group of 10. And how many pretend fingers do we have?
2 in our head still.
Yes, 2 pretend fingers. So we have one group of 10 and 2 pretend fingers. I want you to show me 19 fingers.
Okay. So if I have 10, I'm going to make a 10 bundle. And I have 9.
Including pretend fingers.
Pretend. So we have one group of 10 and 9 in our head.
Yes, you have 10 fingers and 9 fingers. Using your 10 fingers, I want you to bundle them to make 110.
Ready? We have 10. Then we make a 10 bundle.
Do you still have 19 fingers?
Because I still have 9 up here. This is still 10.
Yes. How many tens do we have?
We have 1 10.
That's right. We have 1 10. How many extra ones or pretend fingers do we have?
We have 9.
That's right. We have 9 pretend fingers. We can call these ones since they're all apart and we can count them one by one. So our 10 fingers and our 9 fingers became how many tens and ones?
1 10, 9 ones.
That's right. We have 1 10 and 9 ones, which make
19.
19. Let's try one more.
Okay.
This time, I want you to show me 18 fingers.
Okay, so remember we have 10 fingers and 8 pretend fingers. We're going to bundle that 10.
How many fingers, including pretend fingers, do you have up?
So we had 10 and 8.
That's right. You are shown 10 fingers and 8 pretend fingers. Well, now I want you to take your 10 fingers and bundle them to 1 10. Do you still have 18 fingers?
10 and 8.
That's right. How many tens do we have?
We have 1 10.
Yes, 1 10. And how many pretend fingers do we have?
We have 8 pretend fingers in our heads.
That's right. We have 8 pretend fingers. So our 10 fingers and our 8 fingers became how many tens and ones?
1 10, 8 ones.
That's right. 1 10 and 8 ones, which make the number
18.
18. Excellent work today, friends. Show me 10 ones on your fingers. Now, show me a unit of 10 on your fingers. Good work. Well, now it's time for the problem set. Your must-do problems are 1, 5, and 9. Remember to do your best work for 10 minutes. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, Miss Duckett. Okay, let's go to our problem set. All right, friends, here's what we're going to do. You're going to do 1, 5, and 9 on your own. I'm going to show you number 2 as an example, and then we'll do another one as an example for the rest, okay? So let's look at our directions because good detectives always read the directions first. Circle 10. What's it tell you to do? Circle 10. Are you going to make sure you circle 10 on this paper? Yes. If you don't know how, see this lovely list of things over here? Come right here where it's got the circle and the square. Click it. There's a circle. Now you can circle things on your paper. Okay, make sure you're doing this. Circle 10. Write the number. How many tens and ones? So there's 3 things we have to do. We have to circle 10. We have to write that number out. Then we have to write how many tens and ones. So let's do that. Let's look at number 2. Let's count our ladybugs. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many do we have? 12. Let's circle 10. I can say there's 5 and 5 make 10. Now, how many did we have all together? We had 12. Now, if I have 12, how can I write that as tens and ones? Think about it. Show me 12. Here's my 10 and my 2 imaginary fingers. I'm going to make the 10 into 1 10. How many ones did we have left over? We had 2 ones left over. So we have 1 10 and 2 ones. Look at this. Here's 12, and we have 1, 10, and 2 ones. 1, 10, and 2 ones, okay? You're going to do the same thing up here for number 1. Don't forget, you have to circle 10. You have to write out the number, and you have to write how many 10s and 1s. Do you see I circled, wrote, and wrote. Make sure you do that. Okay, let's go down and do number 4. Let's look at number 4. Number 4 already has my 10 bundled. So I can just circle that 10. It's already bundled up together for me, okay? So now let's count. We have 10, 11, 12, 13. How many do I have? 13. How many bundles of 10 did I have? I have 1 bundle of 10. How many ones did I have not bundled in together? I have 3. I could also look and say 1 10, 3 ones. Here's 1 10, 3 ones. Okay, be careful. Now let's look at number 5. You're going to do number 5 on your own. Do you see this box of crayons that says 10 on it? That's already showing you it's bundled together. Okay, so be careful. Now let's look, because you're going to do number 9. Draw the circles as 10 and extra ones. How many 10s? How many ones? Now, if you'll look up here, it already has your Rec and Rec cubes or your 10 column, however you want to say, your 5 column. It's already there. So let's go and draw this. I'm going to do number 9 with you because I don't want you to be confused, okay? So let's draw. What's our number? 16. So let's draw our 10. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I ran out of room. Now I'm going to do 6 over here. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to change colors so you can see 6. Okay. Now here's 16. How many 10s do I have? I'm going to circle it so you can see. I have 1 group of 10. So I'm going to put 10 right here. How many ones did I not circle? I didn't circle 6 of them. So let's do 6. So 10 and 6 make 16. 16 is the same as how many groups of 10 did I have? 1 group of 10. How many ones did I have? 6 ones. Okay. Be very careful. Now, once you finish that, I want you to also do your exit ticket. So you're going to do 1, 5, and 9 on your own. You're going to do the exit ticket on your own, turn them both into me, and then once you're finished, you'll be all done. And then we'll be ready to go to lesson 27 with our next lesson. Be careful. Make sure you're doing every step it tells you. Circle 10. Write the number. Write your 10s and 1s. Draw the circles as a 10 and extra ones. Here's my 10 and extra ones. That is a step you have to do. Fill in how many 10s and 1s in your number bond, and then how many 10s and 1s on your statement, okay? Make sure you are completing all the steps because I don't want to have to mark you off if you're not, okay? All right, guys, if you have any questions, you know you can email me. If you don't have any questions and you got this, good luck. I'll see you guys on our next lesson in lesson 27. Goodbye, friends.